Hi everyone, I'm Angel Orozco and welcome to my short but meaningful video presentation on Republic Act 9280, also known as the Customs Broker Act of 2004. Today I walk you through three key parts of this important law: its policy and objectives, the penalties for violations, and the rights and responsibilities of licensed customs brokers. Let's get started. First, customs brokers is any person who is bona fide holder of a valid certificate, registration, or professional identification card issued by the Professional Regulatory Board and Professional Regulation Commission. For the Part 1, Declaration of Policy and Objectives of RA 9280. RA 9280 was created to regulate and strengthen the practice of customs brokerage in the Philippines. The law ensures that only qualified professional and ethical individuals are allowed to practice customs brokerage. The main objectives of RA 9280 are to protect and promote the professionalization of customs brokers, to enhance the role of customs brokers in the efficient clearance of goods at customs, to help promote international trade by ensuring transparency and accuracy in customs processes, and fourth, to establish ethical and professional standards for the practice. Let's say a customs broker is helping a construction company import materials. Thanks to our RA 9280, the broker must be properly licensed, knowledgeable about the trade laws, and responsible enough to file everything legally, helping prevent delays and ensuring smoother transactions. For the Part 2, penalties for violations of the Act. RA 9280 doesn't only define the profession, it also comes with serious penalties for those who violate it. For instance, if someone possesses as a customs broker without a license, they can be fined and even imprisoned. Similarly, a licensed broker who commits fraud like falsifying import documents may have their license revoked and face criminal charges. These penalties help keep the profession clean and ensure that only those who are truly qualified can represent clients before the Bureau of Customs. And for the Part 3, rights and responsibilities of customs brokers. Under RA 9280, licensed customs brokers are recognized professionals with rights but also with responsibilities. Their rights include being protected from unauthorized practice, having the ability to represent clients before customs, and being respected as part of the trade process. But with those rights comes responsibilities such as filing accurate and honest customs declaration, abiding by customs laws and regulation, refusing illegal transaction, and keeping up with new developments through professional development. For example, if a client offers a bribe to misdeclare goods, a responsible broker must reject the offer and possibly report the incident. Acting ethically is at the heart of a being licensed customs broker. And that's a wrap. RA 9280 sets the foundation for a strong, honest, and professional customs brokerage industry in the Philippines. I am Miguel Orozco and I hope you now have a better understanding of this law and its impact on our trade system. Stay informed, stay ethical, and see you next time.